Kale cooking tips. Kale, a dark, leafy green vegetable, has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale is not only nutritious but also versatile in cooking. However, many people struggle with how to cook kale properly to bring out its flavor and preserve its nutrients. This video will provide you with 8 helpful tips to make your kale dishes not only delicious but also healthy. First and foremost, it is crucial to properly clean your kale leaves before cooking. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or grit. Additionally, remove the tough stems, as they can be tough and fibrous. Discarding the stems not only enhances the texture of your dish but also ensures even cooking. Once the kale leaves are cleaned and prepared, another important tip is to properly chop or tear them into bite-sized pieces. This allows the kale to cook evenly and makes it easier to eat. Avoid chopping them too finely, as this can result in overcooking and make the leaves wilted and unappetizing. To enhance the flavor of your kale dishes, consider sautéing or stir-frying the leaves in olive oil or another healthy cooking oil. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat, add minced garlic or onions for additional flavor, and then toss in the kale. Cooking kale in this manner not only adds a delicious taste but also helps to retain its nutrients. An essential tip for preserving the vibrant green color of kale is to avoid overcooking it. Kale only needs a few minutes to cook until it turns tender. Overcooking can result in losing its bright green color and making it mushy. Therefore, it is best to keep an eye on the kale while cooking and remove it from heat as soon as it becomes tender. Adding a touch of acid to your kale dishes is another helpful tip. Squeezing a bit of lemon or drizzling vinegar over the cooked kale can significantly improve its taste. The acid cuts through the slight bitterness of kale, making it more pleasant to the palate. If you prefer a crispy texture in your kale dishes, consider baking or roasting the leaves. Preheat the oven to around 425 F, toss the kale in olive oil, and spread it out on a baking sheet. Season it with salt, pepper, or any other desired spices. Bake for about 10-15 minutes until the edges become crispy. Baking kale not only adds a delightful crunch but also concentrates its flavor. Another creative way to incorporate kale into your cooking repertoire is to blend it into smoothies or juices. Kale pairs well with various fruits and vegetables, such as bananas, berries, and cucumbers. By blending kale with other ingredients, you can enjoy it in a more refreshing and easily digestible form. Lastly, do not be afraid to experiment with different recipes and seasonings when cooking kale. From salads and soups to pasta dishes and stir-fry recipes, kale can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. Be creative and enjoy the process of exploring new ways to prepare and savor this nutritious vegetable. In conclusion, cooking kale can be a delicious and nutritious experience when done right. By following these 8 tips, cleaning the leaves well, chopping them properly, sautéing or stir-frying, avoiding overcooking, adding acid, baking or roasting, blending into smoothies, and experimenting with recipes, you can elevate your kale dishes to new heights. So let your culinary skills shine and enjoy the fantastic benefits kale has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this insightful information on kale cooking tips was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, let's start living and eating healthier the kale way.